Hello, my name is Wenhao. Today I'm going to compare two e-commerce with PrestaShop. So these two e-commerce that I chose are Spreer and OpenChart. So first, let's talk about the Spreer. As you can see, the interface is very simple, and when we click on the product, there is not. It looks very general. It doesn't have any choice. It only have one product and option types. There is no filter and customer information, something like that. So it is very simple. So let's go to the next e-commerce. The other one that I chose is OpenChart. As you can see in the left side is much better than the Spree. We can see the dashboard and it shows lots of information here, and when we click on the category, it have product, filter, attribute, option, many type of things, and it also have the design view, so we can design our web, and under the design view there also have sales, and we can manage the sales and also have the customer, so it is very clear to make us to very easy to use. So I think OpenChart is much better than Spree than this one. So let's go to the one that we use. It calls PrestaShop. Actually, this PrestaShop is very similar to the OpenChart. It also includes order, category, customer, and also we have customer service here. And under the input there is module, design, shipping, payment, and international. So the interface give me it seems very easy to use. So therefore I am more willing to use PrestaShop because it looks very simple and clear. I can use different type to finish my text, like in the order option I can easy to manage my order. Yeah, I will more willing to use PrestaShop. Thank you.